Now let's look at one more question on the topic of compressible flow before I move on to the videos on stagnation properties. Okay, so the question says we have a projectile which is traveling in air having pressure and temperature as this. If the Mach angle is 40, find the velocity of projectile given r and k as follows. Now, we have a case of a projectile with a Mach angle. Now, Mach angle is denoted by alpha, which is 40 degrees in this case. Now, the relation between the velocity of the body and the velocity of sound, if you write it like this is the Mach number. But if I write it c by v, this is the sine of the Mach angle. Okay. So from here, we can find out the velocity of the projectile. But before that, I need to find the velocity of the sound. So you're given the gas constant, which is 287. You are given the adiabatic index, which is 1.4. The temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius, which is 271 Kelvin. From here, I can say that the velocity of sound would be k into r into t. So this is 1.4 into 287 into 271. This would give you a value which is approximately 330 meters per second. So with c in place, just put in the value over here and you will get the value for the velocity of projectile, which is c upon sine 40. So the value of c is 330 upon sine 40 would be 0.6427, and this would be approximately 513 meters per second. So this is how you look at the Mach angle. So these are the formulas to remember in this case. Okay, so a pretty easy topic to remember and understand. Now let's move on to the next topic and talk about the stagnation properties, and we'll start by deriving a mathematical formula for the stagnation pressure.